Yeah, oh, but come here, buddy. Come here. Come here, Owen.
My birthday was over there.
Your birthday present. Okay.
Because it's my birthday.
It is. Well, it's your birthday party day.
Yeah?
Yeah? Go ahead, go downstairs. And look around and see if you see any of your Ice Age friends. Maybe go over towards the living room.
Check around in your kitchen.
Look in your kitchen.
Nanny!
Oh my goodness, it's Manny! Wow!
Other ones too, if you look around by the television.
By the TV?
What's it in Diego? Buck!
It's Buck! What? Keep looking by the TV.
Where's Diego?
What do you think? Look up. Look. Owen. Is that Diego?
Yeah.
I see one more. You see one more?
Yeah? What's it?
Yeah.
Sid!
Yay! They all came for your party.